Hi, Liam. You look a little quiet today. Is everything okay?
Hi, Emma. I'm okay now, but I had a bad experience this morning.
Oh no, what happened?
I stopped at a coffee shop before coming here. I wanted to order a cup of coffee in English because I wanted to practice.
That sounds like a good idea. Practicing in real life is one of the best ways to improve.
I thought so too, but the man behind the counter spoke very quickly. I couldn't understand everything he said.
Many native speakers talk fast. That happens to almost everyone who is learning English.
I asked him to repeat the question, but the people waiting behind me started laughing. I felt very embarrassed.
I'm sorry that happened. They should have been more patient with you.
After that, I lost my confidence. I started thinking that my English wasn't good enough.
Don't think like that. Your English has improved a lot since you started learning.
Really? I still make many grammar mistakes.
Everyone makes mistakes. Even native speakers do sometimes. Mistakes are part of learning.
I guess you're right, but I still feel nervous when I speak with strangers.
Then let's practice together. Tell me about your morning.
I woke up at 6 o'clock, made breakfast, and drank a cup of milk before leaving home.
Great! What did you eat?
I had eggs, toast, and an apple.
Excellent. Your sentences are clear and natural.
That makes me feel much better.
Good. Remember, confidence grows with practice. Every conversation makes you stronger.
Thank you, Emma. I won't give up. I'll keep practicing every day until speaking English feels natural.
That's the right attitude, Liam. Let's go to class and learn something new today.
Sounds good. Thanks for believing in me.
Liam, look at the ocean today. The water looks so clear and beautiful.
You're right, Emma. The sky is blue, the sun is shining, and the beach looks perfect.
I love coming here. The sound of the waves always makes me feel calm.
Me too. After a busy week, this is exactly what I needed.
Did you remember to bring sunscreen?
Yes, I have a bottle in my backpack. Here you go.
Thanks. I don't want to get sunburned.
We should sit under that big palm tree. It has plenty of shade.
Great idea. The sand is getting really hot.
Let's walk to the water first. It will cool us down.
Wow, the water feels amazing.
Is it deep?
No, not at all. The water only reaches my knees.
That's good. I'm not the strongest swimmer.
Don't worry. The waves are very gentle today. You'll be fine. Look over there. I think I saw a small yellow fish. Really? Where?
Near that large gray rock.
Oh, I see it now. It's swimming so fast.
Nature is incredible. I enjoy places like this much more than crowded cities.
I agree. The fresh air and peaceful atmosphere make me feel happy.
Are you getting hungry?
Yes, a little.
I packed some sandwiches, fruit, and cold water for us.
That's perfect. Let's have lunch under the tree.
After lunch, we can take a walk along the beach and collect some beautiful seashells.
I love that idea. We can also take a few pictures to remember this day.
Today has been wonderful. I'm really glad we came here together.
Me too, Liam. Sometimes the best memories come from simple days like this.
Absolutely. We should visit the beach again next weekend.
It's a deal.
Good afternoon, sir. Welcome. How can I help you today?
Hello. I really need your help. I think I lost my wallet.
Don't worry. We'll do our best to find it. Can you describe your wallet?
Yes, it's a small blue leather wallet. I've had it for many years.
I understand. Do you remember where you last used it?
I think I had it when I was eating lunch in the food court.
What was inside the wallet?
My ID card, my driver's license, 2 bank cards, and some cash.
Did you lose anything else?
Yes, my keys are missing too. They are attached to a silver key ring.
About how many keys are there?
3 keys. One of them has a green cover.
Okay, let's go to the food court together and check the area.
Thank you. I hope no one has taken them.
Stay positive. Many honest people return lost items.
You're right. I should stay calm.
Let's start by checking under this table.
I don't see anything here.
Wait a second. What's that under the chair?
Oh, that's my blue wallet.
Great! Open it and make sure everything is still inside.
My ID, cards, and money are all here. Nothing is missing.
Excellent news. What about your keys?
They're under these napkins. I found them too.
I'm so happy everything was still here.
I can't thank you enough for your help.
You're very welcome. Next time, check your table before you leave.
I definitely will. This experience taught me to be more careful.
That's a good lesson. I'm glad everything worked out.
Me too. Thank you again, Emma. You saved my day.
It was my pleasure, Liam. Have a safe trip home.
Thanks. Have a wonderful day.
Excuse me, Liam. You look a little confused. Do you need some help?
Yes, please. This self-checkout machine keeps showing a red warning light.
Let me take a look. What does the screen say?
It says, unexpected item in the bagging area.
Don't worry. That's a common problem with these machines.
I scanned my bag of green apples and placed them in the shopping bag, just like the instructions said.
Sometimes the machine is very sensitive to weight. It can make mistakes.
I thought I did something wrong.
No, you didn't. I'll reset the system for you.
Thank you. I don't use self-checkout very often.
That's okay. Many people prefer a regular cashier.
Do I need to scan the apples again?
No. Look at the screen. They're already listed.
Oh, I see them now. That's a relief.
Do you have anything else to scan?
Yes, I have this large bottle of water.
Since it's heavy, leave it in your shopping cart and use the hand scanner.
I've never used one before.
It's easy. Just point it at the barcode and press the button.
There, it made a beep.
Perfect. The bottle has been added to your bill.
This is much easier than I expected.
You're learning quickly.
I still think real cashiers are faster.
Sometimes they are, but self-checkout is convenient when the store is busy.
That's true. Now I just need to pay.
You can tap the Pay Now button on the screen.
I'll use my credit card.
Great. Insert your card and follow the instructions.
Done. The payment is complete.
Excellent. Don't forget your receipt and your shopping bags.
Thanks for reminding me. I almost left them behind.
You're welcome, Liam. Have a wonderful day and enjoy your shopping.
Thank you, Emma. I really appreciate your help. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Liam. See you again soon.
Liam, it's raining so heavily. We need to find a ride before we get completely wet.
I agree. Walking to the station in this weather isn't a good idea. I'll book a ride using my phone.
Which app are you checking?
I'm comparing Uber and Lyft to see which one is cheaper.
That's smart. What do the prices look like?
Uber is charging $24 because of surge pricing.
Wow, that's expensive.
Wait a second. Lyft is offering the same trip for only $15.
That's much better. Let's book that one.
Okay, I'm requesting the ride now.
How long will it take for the driver to arrive?
The app says 6 minutes.
That's not bad. What kind of car is coming?
It's a silver Toyota Corolla.
Can you see the driver's name?
Yes, his name is Daniel, and he has a 4.9 star rating.
That's excellent. I always feel safer with highly rated drivers.
Me too. Look at the map. The car's only a few streets away.
Let's wait near that blue mailbox so the driver can find us easily.
Good idea. I don't want him to miss us.
Do we need to tell him the address?
No, the app automatically sends our destination to the driver's GPS.
Technology really makes traveling easier.
It certainly does. We don't have to stand in the rain looking for a taxi anymore.
Look! A silver Toyota is stopping in front of us.
Let me check the license plate. Yes, it matches the one in the app.
Perfect! That's our ride!
Hello? Are you here to pick up Liam and Emma?
Yes, that's right. Please hop in. Oh, thank goodness. It's warm and dry inside.
I'm glad we booked the ride when we did.
Me too. Now let's relax and head to the station.
Sounds good. Hopefully we'll arrive on time, despite the rain.
Good afternoon. Welcome to the Smart Hotel. How may I help you today?
Hello, I have a reservation under the name Liam Carter.
Let me check your booking. Yes, I found it. You have one room reserved for 3 nights.
That's correct. Is my room ready?
Yes, it is. Your room number is 402 on the 4th floor.
Great. Can I have the room key, please?
Actually, we don't use traditional keys anymore. This is a smart hotel.
Really? Then how do I unlock my room?
Simply download our hotel app on your phone.
Okay, I'm downloading it now.
Once it's installed, sign in with your reservation details and tap the digital key button.
Done. My phone says door unlocked.
Perfect. Just hold your phone near the door handle and it will unlock automatically.
That's amazing. I've never stayed in such a modern hotel before.
Your room also includes a smart voice assistant.
What can it do?
You can ask it for the Wi-Fi password, adjust the room temperature, turn the lights on or off, or even set an alarm.
That's very convenient. Is the internet fast?
Yes, it's high-speed Wi-Fi, perfect for video calls, work, or streaming movies.
Wonderful. What time is breakfast served?
Breakfast is available every morning from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. in the lobby restaurant.
Do you serve eggs, fruit, and coffee?
Of course, we have a large breakfast buffet with many fresh options.
That sounds delicious. I always enjoy a good breakfast.
The elevators are just around the corner, next to the large green plant.
Thank you for all your help, Emma.
You're very welcome, Liam. We hope you have a comfortable and relaxing stay.
I'm sure I will. Everything here looks modern and impressive.
Enjoy your room and let us know if you need anything.
Thanks again. Have a wonderful day.
You too, Liam. Welcome to the Smart Hotel.
Hi, Liam. Can you help me for a moment?
Of course, Emma. What's the problem?
I want to join my online yoga class, but I can't find the meeting link.
Did you check your email this morning?
Yes, but I wasn't sure which link to open.
Open the email from the fitness center. Do you see the blue button that says Join Live Class?
Yes, I see it now.
Great. Click on it.
Okay, it's opening, but my screen is completely black.
Don't worry. It usually takes a few seconds to load the video.
Oh, you're right. Now I can see the instructor.
Perfect. Your internet connection looks good.
Will everyone be able to hear me during the class?
No. The instructor will mute everyone's microphone before the session starts,
Why do they do that?
so there isn't any background noise. It helps everyone hear the instructions clearly.
That makes sense. My dog usually barks during the morning.
Exactly. That's one of the reasons.
Do I need anything before the class begins?
Yes. Place your yoga mat on the floor and keep a bottle of water nearby.
My mat is ready next to the window.
Excellent. Make sure you're wearing comfortable clothes, too.
I already changed into my workout clothes.
Perfect. You're all set.
I'm excited. This is my first online yoga class.
You'll enjoy it. Yoga is great for reducing stress and improving flexibility.
I hope it helps me feel more relaxed after work.
I'm sure it will. Just follow the instructor's movements and don't rush.
Thanks for helping me, Liam. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome, Emma. Have a great class and enjoy your workout.
I will. See you later.
See you, Emma. Have fun.
Hi, Liam. You look frustrated. Is something wrong with your phone?
Hi, Emma. Yes, my map app isn't working. The screen is completely blank and I can't find any locations.
Let me have a look. When was the last time you updated the app?
I'm not sure. I bought this phone last year, so I thought everything would work fine.
The phone may be new, but apps still need regular updates.
I didn't know that. Can you show me how to update it?
Of course. First, open the App Store.
Is this the blue icon on my home screen?
Yes, that's the one. Tap it.
Okay, it's open. I can see a list of my apps.
Great. Find the Map app. Do you see the Update button?
Yes, it's right there.
Press it, and the update will begin.
It's downloading now. How long will it take?
Usually about a minute, depending on your internet connection.
The progress circle is moving very slowly.
That's normal. Sometimes restarting the phone helps too.
Will I lose my photos or videos if I restart it?
Not at all. Restarting simply refreshes the system.
How do I restart it?
Hold the power button for a few seconds and choose Restart.
The screen just turned black.
That's fine. Wait a moment and it will turn back on.
I can see the logo now. It's starting up again.
Perfect. Now open the map app once more.
Wow. It's working again. I can see the map and my location.
Excellent. The update and restart solve the problem.
Thank you so much, Emma. You always know how to fix technology.
It's nothing special. I just follow the instructions on the screen.
Well, you saved me a lot of time today.
I'm happy I could help. Now you won't get lost.
Thanks again. Let's go. I can finally find our destination.
Excuse me, could you help me, please? Of course. What can I do for you?
I'm visiting the city for the first time, and I can't find the main train station.
No problem. It's actually not very far from here.
That's good to hear. Can I walk there?
Yes, it will take you about 10 minutes on foot.
Great. Which way should I go?
Walk straight along this road until you reach the tall glass building.
Should I turn there?
Yes, turn left at the traffic light beside the glass building.
Okay, turn left at the traffic light. Then what?
Keep walking for another 5 minutes. You'll pass a large green park on your right.
Is the train station near the park?
Yes, it's the large gray building just behind the park. You won't miss it.
That sounds easy. I also need to find a pharmacy.
You're in luck. There's a pharmacy inside the train station.
Really? Is it open today?
Yes, it's open every day, and it stays open 24 hours.
That's perfect. I need to buy some medicine for my headache.
Then you'll have no problem finding it.
Is there a bus that goes to the station as well?
Yes, bus number 10 stops just across the street.
I think I'll walk instead. The weather is beautiful today.
I agree. It's a perfect day for a walk.
Thank you for taking the time to help me.
You're very welcome. I'm always happy to help visitors.
People in the city are very kind.
That's nice to hear. I hope you enjoy your stay.
I'm sure I will. Thanks again, Emma.
Have a safe journey, Liam.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, and enjoy your trip.
Hello. Is this your first time using an electric car charging station?
Hi, Emma. Yes, I bought this electric car just a few days ago, so I'm still learning.
Congratulations. It's a beautiful car. What seems to be the problem?
The battery is almost empty, and I'm not sure how to charge it.
Don't worry. I'll show you how. This is a fast charger, so it's very easy to use.
That's good to hear. How long will it take to charge the battery?
It usually takes about 30 minutes to reach a full charge.
30 minutes isn't too bad. Is there anywhere I can wait?
Yes, there's a nice cafe across the street. They serve excellent coffee, sandwiches, and desserts.
Perfect.
I'll probably grab a coffee while I wait. First, open the charging port on your car.
Okay, it's open.
Now take the charging cable and plug it into the port until you hear a click.
There it is. I heard the click.
Great! Look at the blue light on the charger.
It's flashing now.
That means the charging has started successfully.
Excellent. How do I pay for the electricity?
You can pay using the charging station app on your phone or with a contactless bank card.
That's very convenient.
Once the battery is full, the charging process will stop automatically.
So I don't have to disconnect it immediately?
No, you'll receive a notification on your phone when it's finished.
Technology has really made driving much easier.
It certainly has. Electric cars are also quieter and better for the environment.
I'm glad I decided to buy one.
I think you made a great choice.
Thank you for explaining everything so clearly, Emma.
You're very welcome, Liam. Enjoy your coffee while your car charges.
I will. Have a wonderful day.
You too, Liam. Drive safely.